Hey guys, welcome to Easyfix. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to connect Instagram with Facebook page. So what you have to do is go to your Instagram. Now click on the profile. Below the profile, you can see we have this option of edit profile. Click on it. And once you're on this edit page, scroll down, tap on connect or create, which is next to page. And a screen like this will pop up. So click on continue. Now choose a page from your pages that you would like to connect or select create a new Facebook page. And with that, you will be able to create a new Facebook page and connect it with the Instagram. Tap on continue once you have selected an existing Facebook page. After this, you will be prompted to log into your personal Facebook account. And this is an authentication step that is required to confirm that your personal Facebook account has access to the Facebook page you would like to cross post to. And once you complete the login process, your professional account is now connected to the Facebook page. And by following these steps, you will be able to connect your Instagram with Facebook page. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.